Are you ready for a break, a getaway, a retreat, a pause in the chaos of everyday life? Me too. And that's why I have designed this 5-day virtual Yogalicious retreat virtual challenge. I'm not sure if that's the name I will stick with. By the time that this goes live, I will have chosen an official name. But the intention behind this program is to provide a complimentary 5-day yoga experience that will refresh and renew and inspire you. And so we'll be taking one pose per day and looking at a few different variations of that pose, really diving in deep and enjoying and experiencing that pose, both from a more active standpoint as well as a restful and restorative approach. So if you only want to take that restful, restorative approach, you can take that version of the pose for yourself, or you can sort of move from the more active and dynamic version down to the floor over the course of that practice. We'll also do some really yummy breathing exercises and meditations, and it's just going to be so delicious. So I hope you will join me. And if we aren't really familiar with one another yet, I'm Blythe Stevens. I am a coach for creatives dancing through difficulty, a dance and yoga movement educator, and creator of A Blythe Coach, through which I do support multi-passionate creatives in dancing through their difficulties and taking quantum leaps into lives of fulfillment and joy. So you're personally invited to my 5-day virtual retreat. You can participate in the retreat either from home virtually or from wherever you are in the world. And I look forward to delivering you daily videos and supportive resources to reconnect with your deepest self and purpose, and to relax and to sort of reposition yourself for effectiveness and enjoyment in life. It's going to be great. So I'll see you there. See ya.